In real estate, the Fed is raising rates, and now mortgage rates are sometimes jumping up as much as twice as much as those loans cost a year ago. And it's having a direct effect on the real estate industry. Joining us now is Debbie Bloyd, president of DLB Mortgage Services. Debbie, are you seeing mortgage companies cutting back or going out of business as mortgage prices jump and maybe there are fewer home buyers?
Yes, we sure are. I have a lot of alternative markets that have already closed up shop. So those bank statement loan people, a lot of those companies did go out of business. We've also seen a big layoff in the biggest lenders across America go down to about 2/3 of their staff. So a lot of people are being let go and being reshuffled in the industry. We also see that with real estate agents. So it's not only the mortgage, but it's everything mortgage related.
Since home buyers are now spending more on the mortgage to own a home, what are your tips for reducing costs in other areas when home buying?
Well, it's always best that you shop for the cheapest insurance. And I'm talking two kinds of insurance. One is mortgage insurance if you're putting less than 20% down. I do have lenders that have extremely low mortgage insurance. That helps. If we're talking property and casualty insurance, it's important to shop with a broker. That way they can shop all the companies. You don't have to start out your policy and your new homeowning experience with the most expensive insurance. You want to cover the basics and then you can add more coverage as needed. We also see people spending money on buying down the rate. So it's called buying points. That helps lower overall their payments, not only for this year, but next year. It's important that you be in the house 3 to 5 years to make sure buying those points makes sense. If not, you're just wasting your money.
In this environment, is it better to find a house than sell your house or sell your house first?
You know, it depends. We used to not see any contingency offers. That means I want to buy your house, but my house hasn't been on the market yet. Those weren't being accepted last year at all. Now we're seeing, because there's not as much competition, people are wanting to take those offers because, you know, it's better to sell your house in 30 days than not sell it at all. And I think the buyers and the sellers are both nervous. So everybody wants to put their toe in the water to buy a house, but they've got to sell theirs first, and they don't want to move twice, but they don't know how to make that happen. We have a lot of loans for that. We do bridge loans. We can also, if you're with a good agent, that agent's going to guide you through listing your house, then finding the house you want, then selling your house and putting an offer in on the next house. It's almost simultaneously if you get a good agent and a lender to help you put the deal together.
Always wonderful information. Thank you, Debbie.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.